butter is. They so good.
Okay.
Yeah, you eating it?
Damn. AP out.
Pussy boy.
Pussy boy.
Pussy boy. I see you looking, nigga. I have them young niggas hiding out in your bush, nigga.
Man, that bitch look good. I'm looking at that car. I'm looking at look through that car and look at my car.
What? Oh, the yellow.
Yeah.
I like your car flow.
I like your car.
Appreciate it, little brother.
You gonna keep the color or you gonna change it?
I don't know. That bitch sound good. They say Stockton Jordan.
Yeah. Oh, imagine when you gonna put the
Straight pipe in the motherfucking lead.
What year is this?
Oh shit! I forgot it was a school zone.
Oh, boy.
I'm the only car speeding through this bitch. Everybody else doing 20.
Don't get us
And you
pulled
in a
over
bright
now.
ass color.
Yep.
Chill out, nigga.
Yep.
Bow, bow.
Do not get us pulled over.
Speed limit is 20.
My bad.
Pussy tight.
But
Jordan,
what year
what the
is
fuck
this?
is you listening
Sexy
to?
red just all over my feet,
It's
bro.
like
I
a
don't know.
19, 21.
What's that green ass car coming
I
from?
mean, like, what's the horsepower?
The horsepower, 500.
500. That's good.
Bow, bow. Hey, somebody put on their seatbelt. I know y'all hear that shit.
I see you.
500 horsepower.
I know y'all hear that
It's
shit.
mine too, but
Dang, you don't cut off?
I know y'all hear
I
that
know how to
shit.
Bro, Jordan.
I know how to cut it off,
I'm
but
just saying.
oh Jordan, yeah, this better than Camaro because you could turn that off by doing this.
For real?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you though. So when we stop at the curb,
I'm still doing it.
nigga,
Bro, can we
cuz you
get
gotta
something
do.
to
I gotta
eat?
stop.
I'm hungry. Can we get something to eat?
Oh, Kaya,
Bro, I want something to eat.
Kaya.
from where? You
It's
like
crazy.
a little ass kid.
Bro.
Well, you are a little ass kid.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, I can't even say that.
It's crazy.
I was finna say
I
you like,
am,
bro, I'm
bro, if you don't get your
18.
fucking feet down off my
Bro,
shit,
what
bro,
you talking
wait.
about?
You might have had a belt out, whoop your ass, man. Get your
Bro,
fucking,
I'm
your
just
fucking
trying to
feet out
get
my car.
comfortable.
Nigga, this a new
Man,
ass,
I'm
new
just
ass
trying to
car.
get
Are you crazy as
comfortable,
hell? She
bro.
put her feet all in your dashboard?
That's what I'm saying. What the fuck, nigga?
I can't get comfortable.
I can see if I been at this bitch for a few days, nigga. This is my first day in the motherfucker. Try to fuck my shit up already.
I can't
God
get comfortable.
damn.
I can't
Get
enjoy the
comfortable. All you
ride.
won't lift the seat back. This
Bro,
bitch got
that's
heat
what
warmers, all
I
type of
did.
shit.
I laid the
Get
seat back and I
comfortable.
put my
Get your
feet
fucking
up.
feet down, Kite. If I snap the
Bro,
glasses off your ass.
what's wrong with
Get your
this?
fucking
Bro.
feet down.
Oh, yeah, he
Get your
just
feet
got
down,
the
bro.
car, bro. You is
Wipe
tripping.
my fucking dash
The
off,
fuck?
man.
Bro,
Why
the
my
bottom
dash
of my
off?
shoe
Kyle,
got
you're not about to
dirty.
be the only one here comfortable.
Still, though.
If your ass
Bro, I
being
can't
comfortable
even
this
get-
shit.
Hey, I wish your big ass would lay your feet across my
Brother,
fucking
how the
feet.
fuck she gonna get comfortable? I
Bro,
can't.
don't get, bro.
Right, you can let
I'm
her
finna put y'all the fuck out.
fair,
I'm
Bro,
finna
that
put y'all
you
out.
can't even fit.
I'm finna put y'all out,
Bro,
bro.
that shit not fair, bro. I get to sit up
Like,
straight. She get to
bro.
put her whole feet
I'm
in
finna
the
put
dash.
y'all out, bro, for real.
All right, bro.
Stop
Kyle,
doing
what
that.
the fuck you starting, bro? I'm trying to
Stop
ride
doing
you.
that, bro.
Bro, I ain't even doing this.
Y'all niggas is tripping.
Hey,
Y'all
man.
niggas is tripping, bro.
I like peanut butter ribs. They so good.
Okay.
Yeah, you eating it?
Damn. So I'm finna
Kyle,
pull
bro,
up and
you.
beat the fuck out you, shit. I'm finna pull up
My
and beat your
bad,
ass.
bro.
Bro,
I'm
Kyle,
finna
what
pull
the
up
My
and beat
fuck
your
is
bad,
ass.
bro. I
Kyle,
did not
what?
even mean to, bro. I did not even
Kyle,
mean to
what
break
the
him
fuck
like
is
that.
you
I'm
doing?
so sorry.
He just got the car.
Bro, my bad.
Oh, she
Hey, at least it's easy to clean up, bro. At least it's easy to pick up. It's just crackers. It's just peanut butters and crackers. I clean it up, bro. My bad.
Why is you putting it in the ashtray, Kaya?
Bro, where else I'm gonna put it?
Out the fucking window.
Well, I'm gonna put it in here and then dump it all out at once.
You just wanna get the fuck out, bro.
I ain't
This your
mean-
last car ride with me.
I ain't mean to do that,
This
bro.
your last motherfucking car ride with me.
Dang, bro, I
Driving the
can't
car with
even-
Jordan.
I
This your
can't
last
even
motherfucking car ride with me. You is not getting in my fucking car no more.
Bro, my bad.
Y'all
I
niggas
ain't
is
even
what I
mean to
do,
do
bro?
that.
I said it's your last car ride with me. I said she's riding with you. She's not riding with me no more.
Bro.
You disrespectful,
Brother, no, you
motherfucker.
ain't gonna put her in my shit.
Man, she's in your shit. She's disrespectful. Look what the fuck you done did. Man, pick that shit up.
You
You got crackers of Hoya
I ain't mean
and
to
all
do
that
that.
shit.
Kaya, you disrespectful. Like, I'm putting.
Bro.
Bro, you gonna vacuum this
I
bitch
did
out,
not
bro.
mean to
You
do
is
that.
finna vacuum this motherfucker out,
What the
bro.
fuck going on? Oh,
Bro, fuck the traffic. I don't care about school.
Bro.
Fuck them kids.
Oh, goddamn. What the
Right,
kids do to
what's wrong with
you?
this?
Nigga, clean my fucking car. Fuck them kids, man.
I just
Oh,
picked up
you
the
I don't give a
ain't
fuck
crackers.
about them kids. Nigga, clean my fucking car.
just
You
picked
just
up the
hey,
crackers.
okay, chill.
I
Nigga,
just
fuck you.
picked
Tell
up
me to
the
chill, nigga. You
crackers,
chill.
bro.
Don't tell me to chill,
Calm
nigga.
down.
Clean this shit up.
Kyle,
It's
you
a
said
brand
you
new
I
fuck
just
you
fucking
got
car.
picked up
Kyle.
the crackers.
Fuck wrong with y'all, man. This
They
a
eat
brand.
this
I don't give a
thing
fuck.
up.
This a brand new ass car. If you want waste crackers, go get your ass on that school
I
bus.
thought you was gonna get
I don't give a
detail
damn.
You was
anyway.
acting like this over your marrow. You must
Fuck
love
that
it.
marrow, nigga. Fuck that marrow.
Okay, bro, goddamn, calm the fuck
What is
down.
your
Y'all doing the fucking most. Y'all making my hair.
Y'all finna get the fuck out. Y'all getting out my shit.
Smoking Black and Mild.
Y'all, you need to smoke something and get the fuck out. Why you doing it?
Brother, I'm sitting in the back. I don't understand why your nerves is so bad right now, brother. I'm here for
God damn.
Like, damn, I'm here to ease your stress.
No, don't open shit in my car, Kaya.
Stop opening this shit.
Strangle your ass with this fucking seatbelt.
Give me my pretzel.
I will strangle your ass with that seatbelt.
Give me my goldfish.
Bro, you trying to open up some more? You just spilled some shit.
Bro, I did not mean to spill that.
Thank you.
Just spilled some shit.
I did not mean to spill that.
Okay, so you gonna open up some other shit?
I'm not gonna spill that, bro.
Bro.
That was an accident.
She the type to
I did
ask.
not mean to do that, bro.
No!
Calm down, bro. Calm down.
Bro, Kaya type to ash on you and then ash on you again.
Right, and say it was an accident when you did it on purpose. My bad, I did that on purpose. Don't open it!
Bro,
Guys, do not waste that in my car.
Bro, just
no, don't open it in my car. Don't open it, don't open it. Do not open it in my car.
How many stacks you got?
Don't open it in my car!
It's just 2 cookies.
No, do not open it.
Twin,
Not.
can I get some cookies?
Throw that out.
No, I did
Throw that
not
out.
mean to
Throw that out.
waste it.
Can I get
Throw
some
that out.
cookies? Can I get some cookies, twin?
Nigga, wait till we stop. Not right now, nigga. It's gonna waste.
You just told her to throw it out.
What you want me to do? Do you want to keep it
Brother,
in?
can I
Or do you
have
want
some
me to throw it
cookies,
out?
twin? I just
I'm
want to
gonna stop at this gas station.
Bro, it's only 2 cookies.
Don't open,
It's only 2 cookies
Waste
in.
that in my car.
Kaya,
I'm gonna dump all
whoa,
this ass on you. I'm gonna dump
Kaya,
all
what
this
are you
ass on
doing? You really doing it.
Bro, stop breaking shit in my...
Bro,
Brother,
it's a cookie.
I ain't drop it, twin.
Look at this.
What the fuck?
You think I can waste
I ain't
this?
drop shit.
You think I can waste
I ain't
this?
drop nothing.
Get out. Both of y'all.
I ain't drop nothing.
Get out.
Brother, you not kicking us out.
Both of
What
y'all,
am I
get out.
doing? What
Get
you
out.
doing?
Both of y'all, get out. Get the fuck
Brother.
out. You take your crackers, take your food, get the fuck out. Take your goldfish, take everything, get the fuck out. Bye. Both of y'all niggas, get out. I don't want no fucking cookie, Kaya. Get the fuck out.
Bro,
All
you see
y'all.
what the fuck you doing, Kaya?
Bro, look at you. Look at you got this fucking shit in my cup. Oh, this is a brand new fucking car.
I'm sorry.
This is a
Kaya,
brand
why
new
you
fucking
acting like
car.
I'm sorry.
You thought you
I
can't
didn't
just...
mean to do that.
Okay, but you...
Raise my window up as high.
Bro, I cleaned it up, bro. I cleaned it up. Why you still
Like, I'm just
mad?
trying to ride a piece
I
in the
cleaned
fucking
it
scat
up.
pack. This is my first motherfucking ride in the scat pack.
Oh, snap.
Can we just ride a piece?
Bro, and you still got cookies on.
You dropping everything.
That's not cookies. That's them.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. If we
Tell your
just...
cousin come pick you up. Tell Jazz come pick you up. Get the fuck out.
No, I'm gonna help you.
I don't give a
getting out?
damn.
You getting out,
Tell
Kaya?
Jazz come pick you up.
No, I'm finna
we
dump
just
out.
gonna drop her off,
I'm finna
friend?
dump out.
Yeah, you too.
Me? What? Brother, I just dropped the bins back off. I'm carless.
Bro, I'm sorry, Flo. I didn't mean to do
And then she
that.
picking up the paper from the...
Bro, cause I had to get the crumbs off of it.
Put it back.
Oh
I'm
my
smart, bro. I had to get the crumbs
Oh
off
my
of
God, God damn. Fuck.
it. My bad, bro.
Bro, ain't my back hurt back here now. I'm about to stretch out.
Man, I was just trying to enjoy the experience of riding in your new
That's
car.
what I'm saying, that new
I was
step
trying
back.
to
This
get
that
comfortable.
bitch right here.
You know, it's
Nigga
that.
can't tell
Had
you
my
nothing.
feet kicked up on the dashboard.
can't tell you nothing,
Let's be
bro.
real comfortable.
My nigga can't tell you nothing, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? I'm about to kick my shit up.
Bro.
Relax.
Bro, what's the problem?
Oh,
You was gonna get it detailed anyway, wasn't you?
Hey, brother, can you pull around?
You was gonna get it detailed, wasn't you?
Bro, I'm not stopping at no fucking store, bitch.
Why? Bro, you need to calm the fuck
Man,
down.
fuck you, nigga.
You need to calm the fuck down, brother.
Bro,
I'm not the
look,
nigga
the car wash
spinning
right
shit
here.
in
They
your
can't give
fucking
you
car.
no detail or
I'm not
nothing.
going through that fucking $2 ass car wash. You got me fucked up. You think I'm taking this bitch through there?
So how you gonna clean your car?
Stop talking to me. We going home.
Kaya, what the fuck is wrong with this nigga?
I don't know.
Bro, you need to take a
It was an
motherfucking chill
accident,
pill.
bro. Like,
Bro, listen.
Get your mother.
Bro,
Get out my damn
stop.
bro.
Kaya, you doing shit on purpose now. Like,
No,
bro.
I'm not, bro.
I'll be, whoa, Flo, what the
Man,
fuck
I don't
you
give a
doing?
fuck.
Bro, he over
Bro,
exaggerated,
Kaya, I
bro.
would do the same shit. Like, bro, now you're overdoing it, Kaya. He just told you
Get
not
your
to.
feet out my
Bro,
motherfucking seat.
I'm just trying
Get out
to
my fucking
chill. I'm just trying to
Oh,
chill.
yeah,
I
you get
can't
the fuck
chill.
out. You getting the fuck out.
Kaya,
I
you
bet.
going
Bet when I get my whip,
Nigga,
bro,
fuck you and your whip, nigga.
Bro, you not
Get
gonna get in my car.
your-
You not gonna get in my car.
damn,
When I get
what?
my whip, you not gonna get in my car.
Get out. Matter of
Just
fact,
remember this.
I'm
Just
done
remember
raising my
this.
voice.
Just
I'm done
remember
screaming.
this. Just
All right, I'm
remember
done
this.
raising my voice. I'm
Bro,
done screaming. Get the
Kaya,
fuck out of my car.
Kaya.
Right here, right now. Get out. Right here, right
Bro,
now.
it's
Get out.
traffic. We in
I don't give a
mid-traffic.
fuck.
Right, it's
Bye.
traffic.
Tell Jazz come get y'all. Get out.
Bro,
Bro, you're
no.
doing the
Get out.
fucking most, bro. Just go
Get out.
home.
Get out.
I ain't
Stop talking to me. Where my green light at, bro? Let me see that.
Bro, I did not
will burn
even
your
mean.
house, bro. Stop talking
Why
to
you
me,
gonna
bro.
burn my hair, bro?
Stop talking to me, bro.
I paid good money for this.
Damn, bro.
Bruh, fuck going on?
Now we can't get in the house, bro. This look,
Bro,
you
that's
bringing
what
your
I'm
bad mojo to the door.
Stop talking to me.
You bringing your bad mojo to the door. Pause the TV right quick. Who got the remote?
Bro, she's never ever riding in my car again. Never. I don't give a fuck. Don't act. She's never ever. She's not allowed in my car no more. She's not allowed in my car.
Man, I was just just trying to get comfortable.
Brand new ass car.
I was just
Nigga
trying to
put
get
their
comfortable.
Feet on my dashboard, feet on my seats, waste the whole fucking. You know how you open chips? She opened them and they went everywhere in the fucking car. She fucked up my car, bro.
What you gonna?
Got my shit looking
Bro,
like
he
a
was
trap.
gonna get it
Dirty shit.
detailed
And acid all on my
anyway.
seat.
This is
All
first
type of weird shit.
You gonna clean it?
This is first thing happening. She
I'ma clean it, nigga. I ain't gonna let it stay dirty.
You gonna clean it? What you got in there? You got a snack?
Bro, it was an accident,
got a
dog.
snack?
No, I got this from the gas station, but I'm just
Let me get
saying
some.
it was an accident.
Man, matter of fact, give my $32 right now. My car wash, yeah, 32, nigga.
32.
Yeah.
You watch that?
32. Yup. For all the
Why am I
damage you
paying
caused.
for the outside?
This nigga waste Oreos and my shit all the time.
I didn't even waste Oreo. He lying. He being dramatic now. I ain't even waste no Oreos. You just talking.
You would do that to the info? I tax you 60 if you did it to the info.
Just had it for a day.
I was just trying to enjoy the experience.
24 hours.
That's crazy.
That's fucked up.
I was comfortable in the passenger seat. I was just trying to eat snacks until we got to the crib.
No nigga
I was finna kick her and joy ass out in the middle of the
I ain't
road.
gonna lie, Kyle.
You acting like I did it on purpose. You acting like I did it on purpose.
You sound like you did.
Wouldn't get no ride to the
No, I just told you when I get my whip, you're not getting in my car. Look at how you acting. I wasted it on accident, and you trying to put me out the car. You're not getting in my car.
I wouldn't take her ass
I ain't
nowhere.
gonna say you can get out my area for doing that to flow.
Oh God. Really?
fucked up,
Get the
bro.
fuck out my
Yeah,
space.
get out, get
First of all, I ain't even mean to do that. Everybody wastes something sometimes.
That's fucked up though. My nigga just got his car. It ain't been 20
Y'all acting like y'all ain't never wasted no chips.
feet all up on the
all on
nigga
the
shit. That shit
dash,
is
on the,
disrespectful,
bro, on the
nigga.
seat with her
I don't
shoes.
care how much-
She
With them damn threes.
on the front seat.
Bro, you at the bottom of the damn threes. Bottom of your shoes be dirty, bro. Why would you do that, bro? You could at least take your shoes off and use your socks. Manners. Hey, Flo, I'm sorry it happened to you, bro.
It's cool, bro. I want my $32.
Bro, I ain't leave no dirt, dust, or nothing on your dashboard. So what you mad for?
I want my $32. That's all I'm saying. You gotta watch the inside and the outside.
I think to be fair, it should be 30.
And then I pull up to the car wash. Tell me why Macy's and shit closed. Can't even wash my car.
Can't even get his
Oh, damn,
detail.
they closed.
Yeah, bro. But what on a Tuesday early at 2 o'clock?
Hey, Flo, take her up to the car wash and make her wipe that bitch down.
Real, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not doing anything because it was a mistake. I did not mean to.
That's a big mistake.
Ask me for shit, I'm gone. Fuck me.
Right, bro.
Well, as y'all can see, Flo is acting like I just spilled a whole bunch of shit in his car and it was only crackers. Something easy to pick up and clean up.
All up on that man new car. He just got it. Like you don't give a fuck about a nigga possessions or nothing. Nigga just got their new vehicle.
I didn't leave no dirt or nothing on his dashboard.
I told her, if I was slow, I'll be telling her the same shit.
That's wild,
Nigga,
bro.
nigga literally told her, stop putting your feet in the dash, and she was there to get it again.
Damn.
So imagine you
She
see-
ain't even tell us that part. See,
Bro.
motherfuckers always tell
You didn't say
half
that
the
shit,
story.
huh?
They don't never tell you the whole
I'm pretty
story.
sure if you did
She
that in
only told
dash
us
shit,
half.
I'm pretty sure
She
you would
said
kick
she
her
only
out.
wasted like a little bit of.
Also, did she tell you she wasted Ritz and then opened up Oreos and then opened
Damn.
up pretzels too?
Oh hell no.
See,
She
First of all,
I'm never telling-
I didn't even open up the presses.
You tried to though.
That shit crazy.
Yeah, but I didn't. So why is that even being brought up?
Like, when you don't care about a nigga as long as this shit, bro. That's fucked up, bro. Just go outside and think to yourself or something.
That's wild. Damn.
Bro, I was just playing with him.
Ain't my shit. Couldn't be me.
Well, y'all, this prank was a success. I'm finna go tell Flo. And I ain't gotta apologize for nothing, but I don't have to apologize, nigga. Apologize for what? Hey, Flo.
What, bro?
Bro, I was just playing.
How's you just playing? Look at my car, bro. Look, you show them this. Show them my
Show 'em
shit. Go ahead. My shit is dirty. You got
First of all, I wasn't even over here.
bro, you wasted cookies.
I was
on
over
the
here.
Bro. Look at that shit. That shit is dirty.
Bro, it does not even look that bad.
Man, let's see, dude.
No, it don't.
My car already dirty though.
You exaggerated.
My car already dirty, bro. It's dirty. Look, it's dirty. I ain't washed it since
It's
I
not
got
even
it.
that bad.
They was supposed to clean it and shit, but they said they ain't have time because I don't know some shit.
Well, y'all, I got Flo very good with it. Come over here, Flo.
Bro, what, bro?
Bro, I was just playing, bro.
Alright, bro. It's all love, but just know your ass is not riding with me no more.
So if y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I post more bangers on the way, more bangers to come. Make sure y'all go check out Flo's channel and everyone else's channel. Oh, a sucker is on. I'm gonna throw it away. Cause why is there a sucker on the ground in front of the door? Smells like a setup. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I post. More bangers on the way. Make sure y'all go check out everyone's channel. And without further ado, I'm just out. Peace, gang.
College dropout music every day like this. She be too thick and my friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid. Just a 10K on the table just so we can